Right, at the end of the month it's my birthday, and traditionally I do either a quiz or I'll do something like the roulette wheel. Now I did the roulette wheel last year and it was a great success and it was a lot fairer for everybody. So anybody who's on the credits at the end of the video, you're all going to go into the draw. So what's going to be the prizes this time? Well, I would love to give you some big prizes, like a plasma cutter or a space heater or something like that. The downside is the shipping is going to be eye-watering because they're so big. So I'm just sort of picking out some little bits and pieces, and one of them's going to be like this, like a little box. This is a little crimper that was sent. I'm going to do a separate video on this, but it was a really good tool. I've tested it out, I liked it, and it's very simple, easy, you know, without all the bells and whistles. Something that's useful for you. Now, I'll find some other things. I've got some tyre pressure monitoring diagnostic tools that I've never even opened. But not a lot of you know that I give a lot of these things away. So before you start bitching saying I've sold out and things like that, I give them to other mechanics and people like that who's handy for them. You know, diagnostic tools. I've already got one. I don't need 5. Plasma cutters, MIG welders, cutters, whatever. I give them away to people who just could use them better than me, because I don't need 4 plasma cutters, to be honest. But I'll do a review on them and tell you if they're any good or not. Now, one of the things you don't know is sometimes I don't do reviews at all because I think they're rubbish. So if it's not good enough for me, it's not good enough for you. So that's a little backstory for that one. But I'll do about 5 prizes, I think. I think I can rattle up 5. If not, I'll think of something out of my shop, or bits and pieces like a clutch fork or something like that. And then we'll have a bit of fun when it's my birthday. God, I'll be 63. Doesn't look it, does it? See ya.